So we're documenting the snow right now, and it's pretty crazy. You can see it blowing around. You know, we've been stuck here at the same spot. We had to stop for food just in case we got lost. We got triple chocolate cake. So I have Jessica over here working on windshield wipers, and yeah, we're in a 2011. Whoa, blizzard. It's gonna make history, baby.
You can't see, but right where he's turning.
Yeah, you can't see. I was saying it is total.
There's a police car right there.
Yeah, it's total whiteout.
Mayhem.
Police everywhere.
Okay, time to stop that.
Okay, bye.
Attention.